Starting January 1st, 2026, Nigeria's tax system takes a bold new turn. And if you're a small business owner, especially a sole proprietor, you'll want to pay attention. From January 1st, 2026, a small baker running their business alone as a business name could end up paying more tax than a bakery that is registered as a company. How can that be fair? Let's break it down. Before, as a sole proprietor, you had something called a consolidated relief allowance, that CRA we talked about in the last video. It made at least 21% of all your income tax-free. But from January 2026, that CRA is gone. It's replaced with smaller itemized reliefs, for example, 20% of your rent, which is capped at 500,000 naira. So you can't claim more than 500,000 naira. And it's tied to verified records, meaning if you don't keep proper records, you can't claim the relief. Now let's look at the bakery, which is run as a company. The law says companies that make 100 million naira or less in turnover will pay 0% income tax. That's right. If your business makes 100 million naira or less in sales, you pay nothing in income tax. Meanwhile, a sole proprietor starts paying 15% tax as soon as they earn more than 800,000 naira. Even if the business is small, 2 million naira, 3 million naira, they still owe something, while the company owes zero. Now, it's not because the government hates sole proprietors. It's because companies are exempted based on turnover size, which means their sales, not profit. So even if a company makes 10 million naira profit, as long as its total sales are below 100 million naira and its fixed assets are below 250 million naira, it's still considered a small company and pays nothing in income tax. So, starting January 2026, the tax tables flip. Small companies still get a holiday, but small individuals pay a little more. So what does this mean for business owners? Firstly, if your business is growing past 1 to 3 million naira profit, it might be time to incorporate a company. Secondly, if you choose to remain a sole proprietor, make sure you claim your itemized reliefs and keep proper records. Every deduction matters. And thirdly, whether you bake or not, know where you stand before tax season begins.